everyone, press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss any update from IWM Buzz.
Hi Kuvar, you're live.
Hello.
Welcome to Indian Wikimedia.
I'm very good.
Where are you busy these days? आजकल दिख नहीं रहे हो on screen.
I've been traveling a lot and also shooting a short film. That is a very important project for us and like for me and my team. It's a home production and we have casted a very good and very big actor into it with me, which I won't name it right now. So yeah, it's a story.
Audience.
Yeah, it's a story never been shot, never been tried on a short film level, not even in Bollywood. So yeah, it's a very ambitious project for us and we're working on that, and that is why बीच में अगर लोगों ने देखा हो तो मैंने बहुत दाढ़ी वाड़ी बढ़ा ली थी. So it was the reason because I've been trying to do something out of the box. लोगों ने मुझे बहुत सारा college boy, Casanova ये सब करते हुए देखा है. So we're just trying to do something different. So yeah, वहीं पे लगे हुए हैं.
Okay, तो लेकिन आपके बहुत सारे fans request करके आप back on screen TV पे कब आएंगे?
Yeah, I don't mind being on TV until unless I get a like the stuff we did in D3 was very different.
True.
Was not a daily soap South Bow drama. So if I get to do something like this, or I love mythos. Not that I want to play a god, but yeah, you know, where you have to play like a Bajirao or something else, like how Prithvi Vallabh is coming, or Ashoka, or anything like that. I would love to do it because I love those kind of series. So yeah, if something like this comes up, I'll definitely do. But when it comes to the family drama, I am really like known of right now.
Okay, so we already have a lot of fans of yours because they have been waiting. So मैं उनके questions ले लेती हूँ. So Sparkly is saying that I used to watch D3 and I love your character.
Thank you so much, Sparkly.
Yeah. What a unique name. Okay, Vinita is saying, what is your goal for 2018?
Whoa, there are a lot of goals. For sure, I wanna get into Bollywood. For sure, I wanna debut this year, and I wanna buy my Range Rover.
Oh.
So yeah, that is there, and also I want to have a lot of more puppies and dogs that I can keep in my house. Yeah.
Okay. Achal is saying, happy belated birthday to you, hero. Keep smiling always.
I am.
Okay, so Suzanne is asking that what's the most special moment from the D3 part for you?
Oh, there has been a lot because it was a very personal show, very close to my heart. So there has been a lot. Like, I can't name one, but yeah, all the moments spent with guys, especially all the boys gang scenes and all the masti and dances, have been very special. And all the outdoor that we shot in Goa and other places has been very special because वहाँ पे, you know, we had to do like on the spot scene and sometime we have to go live in audience and when the audience is not even aware that we are shooting and we have to like फटाफट shoot and come back. So at those moments जब teamwork होता था, you know, when everyone's together and trying to do the best that they can, so those moments have been amazing.
Okay. So Achal is saying, hopefully you achieve everything this year. You are an amazing soul hero.
Thank you, Anchal.
Suzanne is saying lots of love from Dubai for you.
I'm coming to Dubai. Let's meet.
Okay, your fan page is asking, when is your short movie releasing?
See, we are planned mostly June 1st is the date that we have planned. Any which way, June 1st week we will release it because 2 schedules are done. Only the last one is left, and we're gonna shoot it in April itself. So if everything works well and all the edits and everything goes well, we will release it in June.
Okay, so Pooja is asking, do you miss dancing?
A lot. I miss dancing every day in my life. I feel like if I can just dance like how we used to dance for Dance India Dance or D3 or any show, if I can work like that for whole my life, I would be very happy. So yes, I miss dancing. Okay,
Charmer fan page is asking that how was your birthday celebration in Shimla?
Fantastic. We went to a lot of you can say places which are not being explored by tourists, like, you know, very secret places, and fortunately in the month of March मुझे snowfall देखने को मिला. So the time I was trekking up, snowfall हो रहा था. So I think it was the best moment because मैंने कभी snowfall देखा नहीं था. So yeah, it was amazing.
Okay, Poonam is asking that what motivates you to become an actor?
What motivates me is the inner happiness and the satisfaction. So when I used to dance, people used to ask me, why do you dance? So it's just that because when I dance, it gives me happiness and मुझे कोई चीज़ की फिक्र नहीं होती है कि future क्या है और पैसे क्या है और and all these things. Same when I act, I want to just act and you know make everyone happy with my acting. So yeah, the happiness and the satisfaction is the motivation.
Okay. So Achal has a question that are you guys gonna shoot a music video together anytime soon? You and Charlie, basically, she's asking.
Music video plan तो है, but I can't promise when. There has been few offers as well, but ऐसा कुछ आया नहीं जो connect करे because you know people know us as a couple and shooting another love song is just the same, you know. So we are looking for something where जहाँ पे अच्छी story हो, अच्छा गाना हो. So yeah, लोगों को भी देखने में मजा आया.
Okay, Kajal Mitra is saying that I miss D3 a lot. Can you guys restart it again, please?
We all miss D3 a lot, and we all are trying to get it back. We can't promise when, but yes, बातें हो रही हैं, कोशिश हो रही है. So if not on television, maybe in a web series, but we have been trying hard. So let's see.
Okay. Lavina is saying that who was your favorite dance group while judging in SRCC Delhi?
ये Delhi वाले. See, the winner was definitely my favorite. I think it was Gargi College, and if you're from Gargi College in the same group, you'll be very very happy right now. But yeah, that was one of my favorite.
Okay. Neetu is asking when we will see you in a reality show.
See, the only reality show left for me on television right now is Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Apart from that, everything is covered. And even I am looking forward to do it because it's been long I have not done a dancing show. So let's see if you never know.
Okay, your fan page Amarholic is asking who inspired you more in dancing?
Who inspired me more in dancing?
Yes.
Like I don't know.
Who inspired you to become a dancer? Basically,
No one. I mean, it was my own choice. It was. It came to me as a fluke because I started dancing because you know I had no other talent in me. So I thought क्या करूँ? तो मैंने सोचा डांस करते हैं. तो डांस करते करते I suddenly started enjoying it और मुझे ना वो prizes मिलने लगे, first prize.
Yes.
So I was like, अरे first prize मिल रहा है. Then suddenly I reached to the college and you know everyone is like talking to me and they're like, अरे he's a dancer of the college. I said very good यार. तो वैसे start हुआ था. Never thought of becoming a dancer. But धीरे धीरे I became serious and yeah, before I could realize I was there in it.
Okay. Shweta is asking who is your best dance partner till now?
Very complicated question. If I name one, the other will be upset. All my dancing partners has been amazing. This is a diplomatic answer that I can give you.
Okay. So Ajal is asking that how was your BCL experience? We loved watching you in cricket, hottest cricketer.
Okay. Thank you. It was amazing. BCL is fun. You know, a lot of time they've been asking me to play, but I was not playing because I play season cricket. So for me, switching all the way from there is because BCL is another world.
Yes.
This is a different cricket. So, but then this time Barkha asked me, and the entire team was very positive, and सब दोस्त थे पुराने. So I said, चलो, let's try it, and I enjoyed really.
Okay. So Disha is saying you are our favorite hero, but who's your favorite hero?
My favorite hero right now is Ranbir Kapoor. I really love him. I think he is amazing. He is also a benchmark for me when it comes to acting because the kind of role he's doing and he's been doing and he's gonna do it, he's amazing. So I really like him. Yeah.
Okay, Varsha has a question. If you could eliminate one thing from your daily schedule, what it would be and why?
Right now, if I need to chuck one thing, it will be sitting at home and watching TV because that for like this is one thing that I've been doing from quite long. although I got addicted to series and everything, I never watch web series on laptop because I don't enjoy it. So since I got this internet TV, I am addicted to my TV, and because of that, at times I become very lazy and I sit at home and I don't go anywhere else. So yeah.
Okay, Navneet is asking, if you get a offer from Big Boss, would you like to do?
No, I won't. The reason is because I don't think I'm a perfect contestant or contender for the show. I don't think I can pull it off really well. So on a personal choice, no.
Okay. Lavina is saying, thanks for replying, but I'm not from Gargi College. I was just curious to know.
Aww. I'm sure you were there. So yeah.
Okay, Ria is saying that, are you coming Gujarat anytime soon?
Not right now, but if something happens, definitely.
Okay, they have requested you to be back on television soon so that they can witness you every day.
I would love to. So if something comes up, I would love to, because I am also missing myself on screen.
Okay, Varsha is saying that, are you a type of person who can get friendly with everyone?
Yes, I am very friendly and I really like to make friends. But genuine people, not the wannabes. Yeah.
Okay, Disha wants to know your favorite cricketer.
My favorite cricketer is MS Dhoni, hands down. And the reason, because he's not only a good cricketer, he's a great leader. And he's just amazing in so many ways. So yeah, I just love him.
Okay, so your few fan pages are asking that, do you follow any dance reality show right now which is airing on television?
I've been watching Super Dancer because एक तो जितने भी choreographers हैं वो सारे मेरे दोस्त हैं. And second thing, the kids are doing an amazing job. They are brilliant. So this is one thing that I've been watching. Not regularly, but yeah, whenever I am on television and it's coming, so I would love to watch it.
Okay, we'll play a fun game with you. Okay. Your fans have to guess this game, okay? So these are few signature dance steps. You have to pick one. You have to do that dance steps and your fans will guess. Okay?
Oh, okay.
चलो उठाओ एक आपकी fans get ready. आप लोगों को खेलना है कुंवर अमर के साथ. अब उनको बताना नहीं है, रिएक्शन भी नहीं देने, सिर्फ डांस स्टेप्स करने हैं.
Oh. I know the signature step.
हाँ तो बस सिग्नेचर स्टेप ही करना है.
अच्छा oh,
ताकि वो गेस कर पाए.
Something. It's a repetition. It's a repetition.
Let's see अगर वो गेस कर पाते हैं. मैंने तो गेस कर लिया. अरे गेस करो. No, Akriti is saying it is Dhatin Nach.
Yes.
Yes, it is Dhatin Nach. Oh shit, मैंने गलत गेस किया था. Sorry.
No. What is this family?
No, it's 1 2 3 4
5.
हाँ.
It's a different song.
Which song is this?
1 2 3 4
1 2 3
4 5 6.
अरे यार तो you have to write 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11.
चलो हमारी मिस्टेक ये मैं मान लेती हूँ.
कम ले.
ओके सॉरी, इट्स Dhatin Nach. चलो
1 2 3 4 5 Dhatin Nach.
ये तो उल्लू. ये तो हमारा फुफट हो गया. Okay, it's Dhatin Nach.
Good job, guys.
Yeah, you guys
Good
are
look for
correct.
them. Oh.
आप तो सही है.
ये तो गेस कर ही लोगे.
हाँ, ये तो पक्का गेस कर देंगे. हाँ.
बोलो.
Let's see.
नमक थोड़ा ही खाओ पर अच्छा खाओ. He's on TV
Okay,
now.
Ilu Jaiswal has guessed. It is AGOG Sundar.
Yes.
When my name is Lakhan basically.
Yes, my name is Lakhan. Next. और करना है?
Yes.
Oh, I have to stand for this.
हाँ तो stand. Wait. थोड़ा adjustment कर लेते हैं. हाँ, stand.
It's.
Okay, ये guess हो गया है basically. It's a very famous step.
Very famous. Dada.
Okay, wait.
Did they guess?
No, it's not Badtameez Dil. Wrong. Okay, Nilay has guessed it's Disco Dancer.
Yes.
Very nice. अच्छा खेल रहे सब fans.
उत्ती. हाँ.
What happened starting में?
मैं भूल गया गाना कौन सा है. Shit, ये गाना कौन सा है?
अरे डिस्को डांसर हो गया. अभी दूसरा. ओके, ईलू बहुत जल्दी जल्दी गैस करिए. तत्तड़ तत्तड़.
Yes.
ये यू ग्रेट विद डांस स्टेप्स. इसीलिए सब जल्दी जल्दी गैस हो रहे हैं. रुचिका निलय ने भी
ओह,
गैस कर लिया.
देखो
विश्वानी
ये वाला
ने भी. हाँ. जल्दी जल्दी लिखो. ओके ओके, शाहीना एंड इलू जी has guessed it's Dola Re Dola.
Yes.
And Gauri also.
Good job, guys.
Very nice.
हाँ.
हाँ, ये भी गेस कर लेंगे. इट्स अ इजी सॉन्ग.
एक बार में गेस कर लेंगे.
हाँ, हो गया डोंट. ओके, इट्स कजरारे कजरारे. इलू जी एंड शाहिना, गौरी, प्राची. Very nice guys.
I
Neha,
am good or you guys are good or we both are good.
you both are good.
Yeah, ये फंस जाएंगे.
First time.
ये फंस जाएंगे.
कितनी चिल्स है.
इसके लिए भी खड़ा होना पड़ेगा.
ओके, वेट. हाँ, गैस आपने डांस स्टेप तो सही किया. गैस सही करने चाहिए. आज तो आपकी एक्सरसाइज हो गई. नो, इट्स नॉट तम्मा तम्मा. Okay, Shilpa has guessed it's Yara. Oh, Yara.
Yes.
Very
मुझे गाने की याद नहीं है.
nice.
I don't know how I remember those steps.
Okay, ये last.
Last ना. ये किसका? स्टेप क्या थी? Oh yes. अभी तो सोफे पे ला.
हाँ.
Something like.
Which song is this? I am not able to guess. Okay. समझ गई. Okay, Prachi has guessed it is Jug Ghumeya.
Yes.
Yay! You guys have won.
Yes.
Fans and Amar both, आप दोनों जीत गए हो. आप लोगों के लिए बहुत सारे क्लैप्स.
Yay.
ओके, कुछ और क्वेश्चंस आए तो ले लेते हैं फटाफट. Okay, few fans have asked that which was your favorite dance step that personally like you loved it.
Steps like overall
Any,
in the Bollywood.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know. I've been loving Ganesh Master's choreography. So I love Malhari when he choreographed. And now when he choreographed Khali Wali, I think he is a genius right now because वो जो signature moves लेके आ रहे हैं, it's amazing.
Okay, Varsha is asking if you get a time machine, what is the first thing that you would do?
Time machine. हाँ, आगे जाऊँ या पीछे जाऊँ? I'll go back and correct few things in my life. Definitely. Yes.
Okay, Achal is saying no matter what you do, we always love you. You are unconditionally.
I love you too, guys. No matter what.
अच्छा, बहुत सारे रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप बैंगलोर, आगरा, यहाँ सब कब आ रहे हो.
I will be doing an India tour. So
हाँ. सबसे मिल लेंगे.
हाँ. And inform you guys, तो आप लोग आ जाना.
Okay, what Kriyansh, a fan page is asking, please say what is your plan for 2018?
I just said, I will repeat it. My Range Rover Evoque, no, not Evoque, sorry, Velar, the new one. I want to buy that. I want to get my sports bike, new sports bike. Of course, the biggest dream, my debut. So yeah, 2018.
Okay, Disha is saying, if God grants you a wish, what will be your wish?
I'll request him to give me the strength and the luck or whatever is needed to be where I want to be, only to fulfill my family's dream that I have a lot for my family.
Oh, so
yeah.
sweet. Okay, Neetu is asking, when will we see you choreographing for a Bollywood song?
I don't know, yaar. Abhi, the choreography has been a little aside by choice. So yeah, I've been working on acting, but if you never know, life turns around, and if I have to do, I would love to do.
Okay. We'll play one more game. So
Oh,
here I'll ask you a question. You just have to answer.
Okay.
Okay. So if you woke up one day as the following star in the morning, what would you do? Okay. So it's first is Shantanu.
Ah! Shantanu. Okay. What should I do?
What will you do?
If I wake up as Shantanu, I will check that what is he doing when he's getting up in the morning because he's a very secretive guy. So I want to check his life.
Okay. As Charlie.
As Charlie, call Amar.
Okay. As Palki ma'am.
As Palki man. Think of another successful show.
Very nice answer. If you could be invisible, which actor would you stalk and why?
I will stalk again Ranbir Kapoor because again he's very secretive.
Okay, who's the first person that comes to your mind when I say the following? Talkative. Like in your group.
In my group.
Yes.
Talkative. Macedon.
Gossip queen.
Gossip Queen. यार दो चार हैं मतलब सब मारेगी पकड़ के.
Not exactly like the gossip that girls do, but then generally.
General talk, huh? All three girls in my house. Keep on guessing.
Okay, Mama's boy.
Mama's boy. Archie. Completely.
Most likely to be caught red-handed.
Macedon.
Okay, lastly, Daredevil.
Me.
Okay, who was your first celebrity crush?
So first celebrity crush. Okay, so when I was in college, I was in love with Jennifer Winget. I'm still in love with her. She is so gorgeous. Oh my god. And yeah, apart from that, everyone knows Deepika.
Okay, if you have a matrimonial ad, what would it say?
Don't get married. Why to get married? Why?
Okay, if you had to change your name, what would you change it to?
I will only name myself Kumar.
Okay. And lastly, if you were to write a book about yourself, what would you name it to?
What do I name it?
Anything that your life revolves around it.
There has been things, but I'm just trying to find a short.
Okay. Yes, perfect.
Yeah,
Name.
I mean, maybe acceptance. Maybe, yeah.
Okay. Last question from a fan. Akash is asking, according to you, what was your turning point in your life?
There has been a lot. For sure, DID was the first, undoubtedly. That has changed my life upside down. बहुत सारी चीज़ों से मैं बाहर निकल के आ गया, and also I was towards my goals, and I'm waiting for another thing to happen in my life, which again is gonna flip my life upside down. So yeah.
Okay, and lastly, a message to all your fans who've been here to chat with you, to like share a few thoughts with you.
Well, I have always been very thankful to God for giving such fans, because you know it happens. I have seen it. I know people who comes on TV, work and go back, and till time they are on TV, they have a lot of fans. And once they stop working or they're not working for a while, the fans goes here and there. But me and the entire D3 crew has been very fortunate to get such fans that they are still connected to us. They still, you know, want us to be back, and they're waiting for us to be back. Whenever we go, whatever we do, they're always there. They make it, you know, a boom, a hype about anything that is happening, whether it's my birthday or anything. So yeah, I just want to say thank you, and I love you all, and I hope I come back soon on screen to entertain you guys and make you feel that it's worth to be my fan. Yeah.
Thank you so much, thank you for
Thank
joining,
you.
fans. Bye.